Today I'm going to show you how to connect a button to another page in Framer step by step in a way that's quick, beginner friendly, and easy to follow. If you're building a website in Framer and you want a button or text element to take visitors to another page, this is one of the simplest things you can do. And once you know it, you'll be able to set up navigation much faster across your projects. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Framer tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Framer project. This is the project where you want the button to work. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the page where you want to add the clickable button text. In Framer, you can use text as a button, which makes this process very easy and flexible, especially if you want more control over the design. Now press T on your keyboard. This is the shortcut to add text. After pressing T, click anywhere on the page to place the text element. Once it appears, type the text you want to use as your button. For example, you might type "click me," "learn more," "get started," or "contact us." Choose something that clearly tells the visitor what will happen when they click it. After that, select the text you just created. Make sure it's active because the next step depends on the right panel showing the text settings. With the text selected, look over to the right side of the Framer editor. In that panel, find the link option and click it. This is where you tell Framer that this text should behave like a button or navigation link instead of just plain text. When you click link, you'll see different linking options. From here, choose page. This is the important part because page lets you connect the text to another page inside your Framer project. If you're sending someone to a page you already created, this is the option you want. Next, select the page you want to connect. Framer will show you the available pages in your project and you can choose the one that matches your goal. For example, if your button is supposed to send users to an about page, a pricing page, or a contact page, just pick that page from the list. Once you select it, Framer automatically links the text to that destination. At this point, your button is connected. To make sure everything is working correctly, preview your site and click the text. If you set it up properly, it should take you directly to the page you selected. This is a really good habit to get into because it helps you catch any mistakes before you publish your site. If you want to make the text feel more like a real button, you can also style it with a background, padding, border radius, or hover effects, depending on the design of your page. That way, it doesn't just function like a button, but it also looks like one. In Framer, design and interaction go hand in hand, so a simple text link can become a polished navigation button with just a few extra tweaks, and that's it. You've now connected a button to another page in Framer. It only takes a few steps. Open your project, press T to add text, type your button label, select the text, click link in the right panel, choose page, and then select the page you want to connect. Once you do that, your button is ready to guide users wherever you want them to go. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Framer tutorials, website design tips, and quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.